Interpret graphs and charts. A misread chart is like a faulty compass. It won't just send you off course, it could lead to serious errors. Charts are part of nearly every task in maintenance. You'll find them in maintenance manuals, service bulletins, weight and balance forms, performance documents, and wiring diagrams. These visual tools are more than just data. They help you make accurate decisions quickly, process complex inputs, prevent costly mistakes, and communicate clearly with your team. Now let's look at the 3 types of graphs you'll commonly work with. First, we have standard graphs. These show how variables change and relate. They help you identify patterns, limits, and trends. Examples include line graphs showing engine performance, bar charts comparing component wear over time, and scatter plots used in stress testing turbine blades. Next are wire charts. These appear in electrical and avionics schematics. They help you trace circuits, verify continuity, and diagnose faults. You'll find them in landing gear or lighting system diagrams, LRU connection maps, and troubleshooting guides for short circuits. Finally, there are nomograms. These are multivariable charts used to solve problems without calculators. They are commonly used to find CG from weight and arm, balance payload against fuel range, or match hydraulic pressure to flow rate. Reading a nomogram takes precision. A 1 millimeter misalignment can lead to a CG error of 100 pounds. Take this chart as an example. It shows how fuel weight changes based on temperature and fuel type. Imagine you're fueling with avgas, but the gauge is calibrated for Jet A. The correction table says to multiply by 0.98, so 100 pounds becomes 98. Next, factor in temperature. At 10 degrees Celsius, fuel density drops by another 1 to 2%. That means your 100-pound reading may actually represent only 96 to 97 pounds of usable fuel. Even that small margin could shift a fully loaded aircraft beyond safe CG limits. So how do you read charts the right way and avoid errors like that? Start by checking the basics. Look at axis labels, units of measure, scales, legends, and footnotes. Every detail matters. Next, recognize the format. Whether it's digital or legacy, knowing how to read it properly makes all the difference. And finally, avoid common pitfalls. These include skipping axis labels or footnotes, relying on outdated charts, or assuming all graphs are linear. Some, like nomograms, use curves. That's why it's important to use a straight edge to read them accurately. All of these habits come back to one core idea. Charts are not just data, they are decision tools. Interpreting them correctly is not optional. It's what keeps your judgment sharp and your aircraft safe.